Hello, our Empire family. Today, we're at Next Step Worldwide. They're an outpatient clinic providing nutritional, therapeutic, and psychological support for the entire family. Currently in the middle of their podcast ring, this is where they create amazing content for all of their clients, but also where they do conferencing for the entire 27 locations. First thing I want to highlight is this great 65-inch Samsung display comboed with the Wirestorm Apollo all-in-one conferencing system. This has a camera, speaker, and microphone built in to make conferencing as simple as possible. We do have a local PC connected to this. That way everyone in the room can actually connect to the system and communicate with the entire company. The microphone in here allows everyone, even in the back of the room, to be heard while they're conferencing. Not only that, but we do have 70-volt Klipsch audio in-ceiling speakers integrated with the system. Awesome thing about this location, one, that they called Empire V to do the system, but two, that it is a fully smart system. This system is backed up by Control 4. Let me show you how the system is set up. One, we have all of the rooms for their headquarters. Each room has individual control. As we sit in the conference room, I can select what system I want to control, what sources I want to select, the volume for the room, to make it real simple for anyone to come in this room and conference with anyone. Not only am I going to show you this room, but I want to show you everything that we've done here. Let's go for a tour. Every TV and speaker in this entire building is connected to this one touchscreen. One of the things that I want to show is this television in the reception area. With a simple button, one button command, I can actually turn on the system and send it straight to YouTube, straight to any source that we want to connect it. Not only that, but with the same remote, I can quickly power it off. This system is integrated to turn on at the selected time in open hours, and it also turns off on its own. That way, a receptionist or no one in the office has to go around turning things off. I'm going to give you a quick tour. As you can look around, these are all really nice offices. Each of these offices has a television. We have multiple zones of audio, and in a second, I'm going to show you how you can control them from this Control 4 touchscreen. Main thing here is it is the headquarters, so we want to make sure that conferencing is simple and easy. I'm not going to show you all of the TVs, but the same setup for all of the conference room. We have an Apollo system built in for conferencing. We have commercial displays integrated with the Control 4 system. We actually have multiple T4 touchscreens, and as you can see, they actually come in different sizes. One of the cool things about Control 4 is that anything that I do in one touchscreen actually transfers to the other. So as I bring you outside and I'll show you how home automation can be simple and integrated with the entire system. From here, I can show you the different zones of audio. And if I happen to turn down a specific room, you'll notice that the entire system gets feedback and it will show it on all of them. All of these are separate smart amplifiers that have separate volume control. This is something big. When it comes to 70-volt systems, it is hard to find anything that's smart. So we use the episode smart amps. We use Control 4 audio matrices and Klipsch to give you that perfect, simple, integrated, whether it's residential or commercial, and we just make it really easy. Let me show you the conference room. Let's go this way. Here, you want to make sure that while you're sitting, eating, cooking, warming up your food, or having some coffee, you got displays. Just like every other room, every single television in here can be controlled from here. They choose to keep them on throughout the day, but if someone wants to come in, they just need to grab a touchscreen, go to the selected room, select the display that they want to turn on and to what they want to turn it on to, and the televisions will automatically come on. 3 displays, 1 touchscreen, simple use. Let's go check out some more. So you see it's extremely quiet in here. We don't have any speakers in here. But the most important thing about those speakers in the hallway and the speakers throughout the building is privacy. They want their patients to come in and have peace of mind that the conversations, that everything is going to be private. There's a bunch of these rooms and I just kind of just glance by them, but there is a product that I want to highlight in this project. This is the Wirestorm all-in-one conference room. Things that I want to highlight. One, this camera is actually 4K. It has AI technology for presenter tracking. I might have said that right. It has AI technology to track whoever is presenting in the room. It does have AI technology for lighting. It has wireless connection via AirPlay. It has multiple HDMI inputs, USB inputs, and it can also be integrated with multiple cameras if you need to add more cameras to the room. This is a Control4 smart system. However, that's only for the audio video. These are the highlights of the project. We made conferencing easy, simple, integratable with one device, and this allows them to not only communicate with all of their 27 branches, but all of their patients. This is actually their training room. So this is where they come in. There's a local PC behind each of the television to allow separate control, simple integration, done by the best. Let's go check out the last room. This entire system is controlled by these 4 pieces of equipment and all the cabling in the building. This is your Control4 Core 3 controller, multiple outputs, multiple inputs, Zigbee control, IP control, IR control, anything and everything you need. Also streaming. We have our Klipsch 1000 amp smart amplifiers that are connected to all of the Klipsch 70 volt in-ceiling speakers throughout the building. All right, so we had to sneak out because they had a conference call scheduled, so it was perfect timing. First, I want to thank you for tuning in. This was a good commercial highlight project out in McKinney, Texas. We got to highlight an amazing partner. We got to highlight great products. Not only that, but I got to hang out with you. Like always, I appreciate you hanging out with me today. Share this with someone, ask your questions. We're here to help. And outside of that, have yourself an awesome day.